Menstruation for sisters. If you are menstruating, you cannot do tawaf. Cannot. Now, there are medications out there that can delay your cycles. Take the medication. Because this is once in a lifetime, twice in a lifetime kind of opportunity, you need to delay. You need to delay because that's going to be appropriate, because it's not like the old days, because you have a flight in booked and a flight out booked. What if the cycle happens in the middle? There's not much you can do. You want to really miss out on that opportunity? No, you don't want to do that. So there's a long section. So you can take medication to delay, or obviously if you can, then wait for your cycle to complete. Or if you cannot, and there you've spent a lot of money and you can't spend more money because you can't afford it, what do? You haven't taken the medication and now you're in a cycle. What do? You do the tawaf anyway. Yes. If I am not wearing clothes and it's time for salah and I'm about to miss the salah, what do? Not pray? What do? I pray. I pray sitting down if I'm naked. I pray sitting down, but I pray. You follow? Yes.
I never knew that.
Yeah. You pray. You don't miss salah. There is no missing salah. Only sisters are exempt from missing salah during the cycles. But now you spent a lot of money. You're in Mecca. And you're like, oh no, I can't do tawaf and I can't do Umrah. No, you do tawaf anyway, because in that specific situation. Now, if you can afford it, then extend your ticket. Extend your ticket. Makes sense? Yeah. And if you can come again the next time, just come again the next time. But the best thing, take medication to delay your cycle. Clear?